In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own thumbnail, not thumbnail, icon for your Roblox game. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first, as you can see, I opened photopea and click on new project. So basically, this is like Photoshop. So make sure this is to set pixel and change this 512 by 512 and hit create. Now it's gonna bring you to this and click on this little text thingy and make sure the font is Lucky's Guy, and I'll change the text to donut for the first one and change the size to like no, actually delete this, and I'll change the size to maybe, I think this is good. Now click on new text and say donut. If it's not big, click this and move it here. Now I click Ctrl Alt T at the same time to scale this up. Okay, this is actually a lot better. Now, let me just put this in the middle. Now, we're gonna go ahead and create another text and say simulator. Oh god, simulate. Not E. Simulate. Okay, now we're just gonna move this here, and we're gonna click on this. Make sure that the text thingy is selected, and click on warp. Change the style to arc, and I'll change the bend to F13, and now we have this. Now, what you can do now is double click the donut and click on gradient overlay, and I'll change the gradient for the first one. We're gonna go from a nice no from a nice light orange to a dark orange. So I think this is good. And we're gonna add a inner glow. Make sure linear bond was it? No, was it linear dodge? No, color dodge. I'm gonna make this to 100 for now and change the size to, oh god, we'll make this like a nice yes, and now go ahead make the size, I think 5 is good, and now hit OK. Now make it do this for the simulator too, so click on gradient overlay, and I'll go ahead make this a nice purple. Go from a nice purple to a nice pink. So Perfect. Okay. Click on inner glow and I'll change. Yep, everything is good. I'll change the size to 5 for this too. And okay, now we're gonna double click the donut because this is not that good. So click the inner glow and I'll make the size like 3. No, 3 is too small. Oh, yeah, that's perfect actually. And we're gonna select these two, right click and click convert to smart object. Now we're gonna double click on these and click on stroke, and I am gonna make the size to I'd say this is good, and click the plus thingy. Now it's gonna add another stroke. Click on that stroke and I'll make this to 16 just for now, and click on the gradient thingy. Now make sure this is the rotation set to 90, and we're gonna go from purple, so purple, maybe a more darker purple. Yep, that's good, to a orange. So maybe a darker orange. Yeah, that's good. Click OK and OK. Now we are done for our donut simulator and open. Now we are going to open Roblox Studio and click on our snipping tool. Now we're gonna our open snipping tool is open, and I'll click on new button on my other desktop. So this is gonna be our background. I'll show you guys later. It's like gonna be our blurred background. Just click on File, Save As. I actually have a Roblox folder where I keep everything. So background, background, um, for let's just say for Roblox icon, and click Save. Now you can go ahead, close the snipping tool, and we're gonna actually going to open paint.net. So make sure you have it installed. Now what we're gonna do now is we're gonna open this paint.net. Let's see if it opens. Actually guys, this is my game that I've been working on. I hope you guys like it. Now let me just put this in my other desktop. So here. Now we can just go ahead and click on this thingy, that little thingy with the green arrow, and click on the background for Roblox icon. Click open. Sorry guys. Now once you've done that, click on effects, go to blurs and click on Gaussian blur, and I'll make the radius like I think this is good in my opinion. And now, yeah, we're done for this. And now, Control C to copy, and we're gonna paste it in here. So no, not text, delete. And Control V to paste, and we have our layer one. Put it behind the simulator, and now, guys, we're done. Almost. I'm just gonna make this a bit smaller because perfect. Now, guys, this is it. Now, if you want to add more things, we can go ahead, zoom in, and we're gonna make like, I want to make like a donut here. So I'm gonna click on this, right click on it and hit line. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead, go like this until I make like some sprinkles for the donut. So yeah, I'll pause this here. I'll come back when I did it. So wish up. Okay, guys. So I am done. I hope you like my try to make a donut. But as you can see, I made 22 shapes. So we're gonna select them all. Shift or Control. Hold Shift. Hold Control. Well, pressing them. Well, clicking all of them. And right click one of them and convert to smart object. Now we can just go ahead and boom, boom, bam, bam, bam. Anyway, so as you can see, guys, you're done with your icon. It's very I'd say it's pretty good in my opinion, as you can see, guys. But yeah, that was for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.